But we run it long enough to take it back apart and retorque the cylinder head. Fun, fun, fun. Don't scratch the paint. I think I've done this before on a lot of tractors. Take everything apart, retorque the head bolts, nuts, whatever. Well, she's getting plenty of oil up there. That's good. Everything looks capiche up here. She's got lots of oil, so that's good. Top end is oiling. I think it runs really nice, and some things are better than it used to be. Replacing the clutch made all the difference. When I push in the clutch now, I can feather it. It was real grabby before, and no matter how much I adjusted it. I didn't see any leaks. I didn't see any problems at all. I thought it'd take the touch control longer to prime up since all the lines in the pump were empty, but it primed right up a few seconds after I started it.